how good it will be if we see the sunny and bright side of everything and laugh and smile on the adverse conditions of life. Because all emotions affect our life. Hi friends, I am Preeta, glad to be with you with the topic emotions and its effect on us. Emotions are the strong feelings which we experience in a different life situations, different circumstances. These circumstances may be negative or positive. Emotions are also the result of our perceptions and belief. There are positive and negative emotions which we deal in our day-to-day life. Let us discuss about some of the positive and negative emotions. Some of the positive emotions are love, gratitude, hope, joy, and pride. At the same time, some of the negative emotions are hatred, thanklessness, despair, humility, etc. Every positive emotion is also having some negative emotion. Positive emotions take us to resourceful state. We are in happy mood and it leads us to a healthy way of life. Whereas negative emotions take us to unresourceful state. We become unhappy and our health goes on falling day by day. Friends, do you know each and every cell of our body communicates with each other? That's why emotions affect our body and immune system both. There are studies which show that our DNA structure can be altered by the emotions that we undergo. Let me tell you one thing, our heart is the center of our emotions. It stores all our emotions. Researchers have revealed that a person who underwent heart transplant exhibits the personality of a person who is his donor. Our mind and body are interconnected. When our body gets injured, our mind becomes sick. When our mind is in good or bad state of emotion, at that time our body gets affected. Stress is a condition which develops when a person is unable to control his basic emotions. Continuous stress may lead a person to a life which is prone to bacterial infections. Love and fear are the two basic emotions that a person has. Anger is an emotion which is stemmed out of stress. A person in stress generally becomes angry. Some people, they express or react to anger, and some persons, they silently seethe in. Both the people are vulnerable to some or other factor. A person who expresses anger have bad relationship, and a person who suppresses anger has hatred mental state. Emotion should never be suppressed because suppressed emotions may lead to depressions. Emotions are causes of many diseases like suppressed Guilt may lead to arthritis. Anxiety may lead to diabetes. Anger and resentment are correlated with cancer. A person who undergoes chronic stress may have allergy or sinusitis. Do you know, friends, our body generates electromagnetic field in various emotional state. When a person is in positive emotional state or a person who is always in positive emotional state generate positive vibes. That's why we like to be with those people who are always having positive electromagnetic field around them. And the people who are always in negative emotional state, they generate the electromagnetic vibes which we don't like. We don't like to be in the company of those people. Do you know, whatever personality I am having or you are having is the result of sum total of various emotions that we have in different circumstances of life. Friends, let us control our emotions, change our perceptions so that we can say goodbye to diseases and lead a healthy life. I like the company of some of my friends with whom I like to have tea every evening. You may like the company of your colleagues, or you may like your family members. You would like to have picnic, long trip with them. Why? Because you are having a good relationship with them. Do you want to know more about relationship? Then don't forget to be with me in my next episode when I will deal with the topic relationship. Until then, goodbye.